Welcome to the E Line tutorial for the color change. To start with the color change, press Stop button inside the PXE and then move out the suction tubes out from the hopper or carton box. Lift them up to the maximum, the top position. Next step, opening the color change page. By pushing Start, you get into the color change and activate the suction and everything else. Then take out the hopper or carton box, disconnect the fluidizing air and prepare it for the cleaning. Then you can start cleaning the powder center itself. Take the blow-off gun and clean the suction tubes. When you're done, press the lift button and move the suction tubes into the cleaning position. Therefore, hold the safety button and move the suction tubes inside the cleaning device until the lowest position. Next step is you go to the reciprocators, move the reciprocators out from the powder booth to the cleaning position. And then to the second side, and you also pull out the reciprocators. And you can start cleaning the injector. When you're done with the injector cleaning, you start moving the guns into the booth and cleaning them from the outside. Same for the other side. Afterwards, you confirm that you have cleaned the guns and you start to clean the booth. Therefore, take on the special device for the shoes, the cleaning socks, and go into the booth. You start cleaning the booth from the outside to the inside and from the top to the floor. So you start cleaning the roof, and then you start cleaning the walls, and then you start cleaning the floor. Clean the guns, the nozzles, the gun body. Make sure everything is clean. Then you move out the guns completely. And you start opening the floor flaps from the tubes, cleaning them and clean inside the tube. When you're done, you can close it again. Same for the other side. This is very important to pay attention everything is clean inside, to avoid contamination. When you're done, you confirm on the PXE the cleaning of the booth. The next step is cleaning the recovery system. Therefore, you plug the recovery hose into the blow-off device. You open the cyclone, you pull out the sieve and you let the cyclone open. This is very necessary to fulfill these steps in a correct way. When the cleaning of the peristaltic pump is done, you can start to clean the sieve under the cyclone. Make sure you blow into the direction of the cyclone. And then you start cleaning inside the cyclone. Close the funnel. Wait some moment. Open again. Clean the funnel. Close it again. You can also do the same until everything is clean 3 times. Repeat this procedure to make sure the complete cyclone is clean. Also, check the lower part of the cyclone, take the blow-off device and clean it, and when you're done, you can close the complete unit. Go back to the PXE and bring the PXE into the finish position. So you stop the color change. Now you can prepare the PXE for the new color. So you take the hopper, bring it below the workstation, connect the fluidizing air and fill in the new powder. Afterwards, you have to make sure when you connect the peristaltic pump that you first spray to waste, or you can also spray on recovery depending on the color. To switch between recovery and spray to waste, you have to do these steps manually. When you're done, you can start PXE in automatic mode again, as you can see, and you're done with the color change.